For the Eastern Mindanao Command as of January 1, 2025 until December 3, no, we have this increased number of accomplishments. Kung maaalala natin, last time we mentioned about we're trying to make fourth ideas in certificate for the third quarter. Though meron siyang development and improvement, or hindi namin na-reach yung desired na parang parameters para ma-declare siya. Hopefully, no, with our new commander, Major General Oreo, they're already working with the 14th Division also para ma-fast track, no, na ma-declare ang atong 14th Division against your 23. Then again, for the captured, surrender, and withdrawal support to the NPAs, we have a total of 853 individuals. And for the firearms, we have a total of 441 recovered and confiscated. As to their strength naman, still we have 0 guerrilla fronts confronted all in all the area of Eastern Mindanao Command. Still, we have 4 NPA units no, na kinoconfront. And again, it's under 14th Division sa area ng Caraga. And yung remaining manpower ng NPAs natin to 125, yun po yung wino-workout natin, no? Again, as part of the parameters to declare an area as insurgency-free. And yung remaining firearms din po nila no, na to be recovered or surrendered or confiscated. Again, para mag-qualify yung ating port ID. As to the new commanders naman, we will be continuing na also, again, para ma-clear ang area sa ating SMINCOM, and we can focus as we shift no, sa atong external defense operation.